I'm Katie, I come from London, and from start to finish everything's been perfect, from communication to treatments, the staff. I couldn't fault anything, and I love my teeth. I got recommended by multiple people from the UK who have all had brilliant treatments, and they always come back. In the UK, I've had a few issues with my teeth. I've got a missing tooth, and I just wanted perfect teeth again, but I was a bit too scared to go for the full, veneers and crowns. So I just thought for now bonding, and yeah, I love them. No pain at all. It was sometimes a little bit uncomfortable with the mouthpiece, but that's literally all. Other than that, it was painless. And I feel fine now, completely fine. The teeth feel amazing, literally like normal teeth. Thank you.